Most people think making $500,000 in a year is impossible unless you win the lottery or start a huge company. The truth is, it's not. There are strategies that are proven, repeatable, and surprisingly low risk if you execute them correctly. Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 ways you can realistically make $500,000 in the next 12 months. You will not need to gamble, you won't need to reinvent the wheel, and you won't need a massive following. What you will need is focus, persistence, and the willingness to take action. The first strategy is leveraging your knowledge through high-ticket consulting or coaching. Many people underestimate the value of what they already know. Even if you are not a world-renowned expert, if you have skills or experience that solve a real problem for someone else, you can monetize it. High-ticket consulting works because people are willing to pay significant amounts for results. Instead of offering low-cost, time-consuming services, you focus on delivering transformation. For example, if you help businesses grow revenue, optimize operations, or increase productivity, those skills are worth thousands per client. Imagine charging $5,000 to $10,000 per client and working with just a handful each month. That can easily add up to $25,000 or $100,000 monthly. Over a year, hitting $500,000 becomes entirely realistic. Here's the approach. Identify your area of expertise, define the specific outcome clients will achieve, and create a structured program. Focus on getting results, and referrals will naturally increase your client base. You don't need a massive audience. One well-targeted client is often enough to start a chain reaction. The key here is shifting your mindset from trading hours for money to selling outcomes. People aren't paying for your time, they're paying for what you can make happen for them. If you can demonstrate the value, you can command premium pricing without unnecessary risk. The second strategy is buying and flipping digital assets. These could be websites, e-commerce stores, apps, or even social media accounts. The concept is straightforward. Acquiring an undervalued asset, improve its performance, and sell it for a profit. Let's say you purchase a website generating $1,000 a month, for around $12,000 or $15,000. You make improvements, better marketing, higher conversion rates, or streamlined operations, and the monthly revenue doubles or triples. Then you sell it potentially for $30,000 to $50,000. Doing this multiple times within a year can get you close to the $500,000 target. The advantage of this method is that it's based on proven existing revenue. You aren't creating a product from scratch, you're optimizing what already works. The risk is low because you can analyze the asset's performance before buying and make improvements that have a high probability of success. To maximize your returns, focus on assets with clear potential for growth. It could be a website with solid traffic but weak conversion, a small e-commerce store with untapped marketing, or a social media account with an engaged audience but no monetization. Small improvements can yield significant financial gains. The power of flipping digital assets is that it combines investment, skill, and strategy. With a focused approach and the right timing, this method can reliably generate significant income without relying on luck. Third strategy is licensing or reselling proven products. The idea is simple. You don't need to reinvent something new. You just need to bring a product that works to the right audience. This could be an online course, a piece of software, a digital product, or even a subscription-based service. By partnering with the creator or acquiring rights to sell, you keep a portion of the revenue. For example, You might license a $1,000 course and sell it to 500 people within a year. That alone is 500,000 in revenue. Or you could work with a SaaS company to acquire customers and receive recurring commissions. The main advantage is that the product is already proven. Your job is to connect it to people who need it. Licensing and reselling significantly reduces risk because you avoid product development costs, inventory, and trial and error marketing. Instead, you're applying proven methods to reach your audience efficiently. To succeed, focus on products with clear demand, understand the audience, and create a simple, effective sales system. Marketing, presentation, and timing become your primary tools. This strategy allows you to generate substantial income without the uncertainty of building something entirely new. Now, let's talk about how to make these strategies truly work for you. Most people fail because they focus on the wrong things or lack consistency. Each of these strategies is risk averse because they rely on predictable results, but they require action, focus, and persistence. High-ticket consulting leverages your expertise and delivers high returns per client. Flipping digital assets turns existing businesses into profits and opportunities. Licensing and reselling allows you to scale proven products without reinventing the wheel. By picking one or combining two of these methods, you create multiple streams of revenue and significantly increase your chances of reaching $500,000 this year. The key is not trying to do everything at once. Focus, execute, optimize, and repeat. Momentum compounds fast, and small wins early in the year will build confidence and results. Comment below which strategy you're going to start with, because action is the only thing that separates people who dream from people who earn. Start today, stay consistent, and by this time next year, $500,000 can become your reality. So here's your challenge. Choose one strategy today. Decide whether you'll start consulting, find your first digital asset to flip, or license a product to sell. Plan the first step and commit to taking action immediately. Momentum is everything. Most people wait, hesitate, and overthink. That's why they never reach $500,000. The people who succeed act decisively, stay consistent, and leverage systems that work.